Hello Internet, I'm Matt Haas. I am ready to go in the attic and run those cables. I will show you what's going on up there. I did a little bit of work so far, but there's a lot more to do. So we'll leave the studio, venture into the hallway. That's where the second studio will be. And there is the attic. Some supplies I have, but all of the action. Looking down the attic, you can see the area above my old studio with all the wires coming out. And this part right here, that 2x4 is the wall of the new studio. That's the hole. Everything's got to go down. That will fish through the wall of my new studio. Here's a closer look above the old studio with the 8 wires coming out. So now I have to get all of those over here into that hole. Now I've only punched through one of the 2x4s, and I'll need to go through that second one. And this is where I hurt myself. Watch it catch. Boom. Doesn't look like that caused very much damage, but that really hurt my wrist. It took several days to recover from. It is working. Slowly, but it's working. Here's where I finally get through the last one. Right there. Yes! That was a happy moment. And all the wires are through the wall now. Now I try and clean everything up. You have to get the cables off the insulation. That's just good practice. And that's where I need to come out the wall. Not very much to this. That saw is all kinds of rusty, so I'm wearing gloves, of course. I did not cut myself with that rusty blade, thank goodness. And then the wires are out, put on this nice little plate. And then I turn my attention to plugging the air holes. That's good practice as well. Shouldn't have any air gaps. And then I covered everything up. And we are ready to go, folks.